Hey, what's up? I'll do a quick video here. Start off with the 4 hour, and we went down to the zone, uh, down in here in this green area between 51.4 and 52.8, and we bounced. That is typically the spot that I would normally buy. I did not buy. I was not around. So I actually sold the rest of mine. Well, first I sold. I had 40%, sold 20% on this break. And then the other 20% I just sold because the bear zone on the 4 hour is still relatively strong, and the momentum is still there. So I'm not going to take any chances. I'm going to be a little bit more conservative to watch this thing go back and test this level, which I will look at it again once it gets there. I'm not placing any buy orders at the moment, but I do want to kind of look at it if it gets down in there and see what everything starts to look like. But with the bearishness in the 4 hour the way it is, I'm going to be on the conservative side and sell and go flat on all of my short-term trades and take the last bit of profit I've had since the buying it a while back on this latest 4 hour threshold to the upside. And right now, I'm just going to be patient and watch it out. Since the momentum is pretty strong on the 4 hour, when you flip over to the daily, I am looking at this part right here on the RSI. It looks like it might be pushing down into the bear zone on the close tonight. So if that happens, a move down to the shallow fib at 44.244 is going to be in play if that happens, and I don't want that I don't want that to happen. That's why I looked at the 4 hour, and since it's a little strong, I'm going to wait for the close to see how this looks tonight. So if you want to take the risk is there, um, and you can buy it, and hopefully it bounces from here, and it would be a really good trade if that happens. But with the momentum on the 4 hour right now, the daily doesn't look as great, and I think a larger correction could be coming into play down to the 44.2. Now, I'm not going to short anything. I would have to get below this 44 level and 3 daily closes below this level before I would do anything on the short side. So now I'm just going to sit and be patient. And then also because I think the correction could just be a little bit larger, because when you look here on the weekly, everything's still in the bull zone here, and the bulls are still in control of the long-term trend. But the move down to this shallow fib at 43 could be happening on the weekly, and that's why if this daily clicks into the bear zone, I think that's where the larger correction will be. And then when you look at the weekly, it should hold at this level and then continue on to the upside, because I think this can get all the way down to the 43K level and still remain in the bull zone for the long-term trade. So I am looking at 44K or so, 44.3, as the area to be looking for on this larger correction if this daily clicks into the bear zone on the close tonight. So, all right. Any questions? Let me know.